Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to have you here today. We're about to explore how you can transform your IT service delivery through intelligent automation and streamlined process orchestration on the Now platform. Today's presentation is titled, ServiceNow Workflow Configurations. Automate and optimize your IT processes. Over the next few slides, we'll look at how these powerful tools can help you improve efficiency, reduce manual effort, and enhance service delivery. Let's get started. Let's take a closer look at what makes workflows essential in ServiceNow. First, they are the core foundation of IT service management and digital workflows. Essentially, they power the entire Now platform ecosystem, enabling smooth and efficient operations. Workflows coordinate tasks, approvals, and integrations seamlessly across both IT and business teams. This ensures that everyone stays aligned and working towards common goals, reducing confusion and delays. They also automate repetitive business processes, which can dramatically improve efficiency. By eliminating manual, time-consuming tasks, workflows free up your team to focus on higher-value activities. So, in essence, a workflow in ServiceNow is a way to streamline and automate processes, making your entire organization more agile and responsive. This is a key part of how the platform helps you deliver better services faster. Now, let's take a closer look at how ServiceNow's workflow capabilities have evolved over time. Initially, we relied on the legacy workflow editor, which used drag-and-drop activities to visually design workflows. While this made automation more accessible, as workflows grew more complex, maintaining and scaling them became increasingly challenging. To address these issues, we introduced the Flow Designer, a low-code platform that revolutionized the way we build workflows. It allows users to create reusable flows and subflows, making automation not only more powerful, but also more accessible to a broader range of users. Most recently, we've unveiled Workflow Studio. This is a unified, modern builder designed for all workflow types, with enhanced capabilities and a significantly improved user experience. It simplifies complex automation tasks and empowers both citizen developers and IT professionals alike, truly representing a major step forward in our automation journey. Now, let's look at the core components that make up ServiceNow workflows. First, we have Power, which enables us to automate repetitive tasks and implement sophisticated logic. This is crucial for handling exceptions, iterations, and making dynamic decisions within our workflows. Next, we have loops and conditions. These are what allow us to define intelligent flow logic and decision paths between activities. This means we can create complex routing based on specific conditions and business rules, making our workflows smarter and more adaptable. Then there are transitions. Think of these as the building blocks of automation, things like approvals, record updates, notifications, integrations, and custom business logic. These components work together to move the workflow forward seamlessly. Finally, the Activities component provides a visual design canvas. It's an intuitive interface where we can build, test, and deploy complex workflows without needing extensive coding knowledge. This visual approach makes designing and managing workflows more accessible and efficient. Together, these components form the key building blocks that enable powerful, flexible, and automated workflows within ServiceNow. Now, let's talk about thoroughly testing your workflow execution. It's essential to ensure everything runs smoothly before moving to production. You can use the built-in debugging tools to identify and resolve any issues early on. Once you're confident in its stability, deploying to production becomes a seamless process, giving you confidence that your workflows will perform reliably in a live environment. Next, let's look at how easy it is to build your flow. You simply drag and drop activities onto the canvas, which makes designing your process intuitive. Then, you can configure transitions between activities and set up specific conditions for decision points. This flexibility allows you to create complex logic tailored to your needs without hassle. To get started, click on New Workflow and then configure the essential properties. Here, you'll specify the workflow's name, select the target table it interacts with, and define trigger conditions that kick off the process automatically. You can access all these tools by navigating to Workflow Editor or Workflow Studio from the Application Navigator. This centralized access makes managing and editing your workflows straightforward. So, to sum it up, creating a workflow involves defining key properties, designing the flow visually, and thoroughly testing everything before deployment. This step-by-step approach ensures your workflows are reliable, efficient, and aligned with your overall automation goals. Now, let's talk about collaborating closely with stakeholders. It's essential to ensure that our workflows are aligned with the strategic objectives of the business. By doing so, we can make sure that the work we're doing delivers measurable value, truly supporting the organization's goals. Next, it's important to implement comprehensive error handling and rollback logic. This means designing workflows that remain reliable even when unexpected exceptions happen. Building in resilience helps us avoid failures that could disrupt operations or cause data issues. Another key point is building reusable subflows and flow actions. Think of these as building blocks that can be leveraged across multiple workflows. This approach reduces duplication, simplifies maintenance, and saves time in the long run. Finally, modernizing your workflows by migrating legacy processes to Flow Designer can significantly improve maintainability and scalability. It also allows you to take advantage of modern low-code capabilities, making your workflows more adaptable to changing needs. All of these best practices, aligning with business goals, building resilience, embracing modularity, and modernizing, are vital for creating efficient, reliable, and scalable workflows that truly support your organizational success. Now, let's look at how we can connect seamlessly with third-party systems. Using REST APIs, SOAP web services, and Integration Hub spokes, we can achieve comprehensive automation across different platforms and services. This means our workflows can interact smoothly with external systems, making integrations more efficient and reliable. Moving on, system integration is key to automating complex processes. We can design multi-step approval workflows that include conditional routing, where approvals follow different paths based on specific criteria, parallel approvals that happen simultaneously, and dynamic assignment based on business rules. This flexibility allows us to tailor processes to fit real-world scenarios precisely. Next, let's explore approval chains. By leveraging loops like do until, and for each, we can process multiple records efficiently. These loops enable us to iterate through lists, handle batch operations, and automate repetitive tasks with ease, saving time and reducing errors. Finally, all these features, loops, approvals, and integrations, together form the core of our advanced automation capabilities. They empower us to build smarter, more dynamic workflows that adapt to complex business requirements, enhancing overall efficiency and productivity. On this slide, we're looking at the measurable returns that come from optimizing both IT and business operations. When we streamline these areas, we see real reductions in labor costs and significant improvements in service quality. This all ties back to delivering a strong return on investment, or ROI. One key way we achieve this is through intelligent routing. By distributing work evenly across teams, we prevent bottlenecks and avoid burnout, ensuring that work flows smoothly and efficiently. This proactive workload balancing helps maintain productivity and morale. In terms of financial impact, organizations are seeing average cost savings of over $2 million annually thanks to streamlined operations and improved efficiency. That's a substantial benefit that directly impacts the bottom line. Another important point is faster incident resolution and change management. By accelerating these cycles, organizations can respond quicker to issues, minimizing downtime and maintaining service levels. Automation plays a big role here too. By automating routing and validation, we see a threefold decrease in manual errors and approval delays. This not only improves accuracy, but also speeds up processes significantly. Finally, it's worth noting that around 70% of organizations implementing ServiceNow workflows experience transformative results across both IT operations and broader business processes. This slide really highlights how these tools and strategies lead to tangible, impactful improvements across the board. Let's talk about some quick start tips to help you get going with workflow automation. It's best to start simple. Begin with straightforward approval workflows before jumping into more complex integrations. Master the basics first, and then you can gradually scale up your automation capabilities. This approach helps you build confidence and ensures a solid foundation for more advanced processes. Another important point is to leverage the resources available to you. The ServiceNow community forums and the Workflow Automation Center of Excellence are excellent places to seek expert guidance and connect with peers. These communities are full of experienced users who can offer valuable insights and support as you develop your workflows. Additionally, I recommend participating in hands-on training programs like the Workflow Academy. These programs provide step-by-step tutorials, real-world scenarios, and even certification paths to help you deepen your understanding and skills. And don't forget about the official documentation. ServiceNow Docs offers comprehensive guides on the Workflow Editor, Flow Designer, and Workflow Studio. These resources are essential for understanding best practices and exploring new features. By combining these resources, starting simple, engaging with the community, taking training courses, and consulting official docs, you'll be well equipped to build effective, scalable workflows that support your organization's needs. The journey to workflow excellence truly begins with a single automation. It's about starting small, focusing on a specific process or task, and then gradually expanding. Think big, envision the possibilities of what automation can achieve for your organization, and then move quickly to scale those solutions. This approach allows you to unlock the full potential of your investment in the Now platform and accelerates your digital transformation. So I encourage you to start today. You can create scalable workflows using tools like Workflow Studio and Flow Designer, which offer modern capabilities that make building and managing workflows more intuitive and efficient. The idea is to build smarter, boost productivity, and reduce operational risks by leveraging intelligent process orchestration. And finally, embracing automation is not just about efficiency, it's about transforming your IT service delivery. With ServiceNow workflows, you can streamline processes, improve service quality, and ultimately deliver better value to your users. Remember, every big transformation begins with that first step, so take it today and keep moving forward.